I have seen a lot of YouTubers getting over 1 million views on their YouTube short, and I keep asking myself, how are they able to do this? So I happened to come across a powerful YouTuber. He was able to discuss in detail how to go viral on YouTube Shorts very fast. Everybody wants to go viral on YouTube Shorts, but there is a problem with YouTube cutting ties between the subscribers and the views that you get, and the retention going very low, and you not getting views on your video like before. There are certain things that you need to do, and there are certain things that you need to put in place so that you can keep getting a lot of views on your video and gain a lot of subscribers on your YouTube channel. And the number one thing that you need to do to go viral on YouTube Shorts, according to Profit Multiplier, is is to first of all look for a good competitor. When you are looking for a competitor, make sure that in all their shorts they have over 1 million views in all their shorts. So what you are going to do next is to pick the title of their short and twerk it in a way that it suits your video. So while looking for a niche, there are a lot of niche that is actually gonna go viral on YouTube Shorts, and that includes money, health, entertainment, and so on. So this niche will likely go viral when you use them. Now, if someone is in the entertainment niche and he has over 1 million views in all his shots, so what you are going to do is to use a sub niche, niche down, use a sub niche of his niche. Now, if he's posting videos on entertainment, that's including football, wrestling, and the rest of them, just pick a sub niche of his niche and create a video on that. So if he is in the entertainment niche and you want to niche down, you can pick wrestling or pick football. Now, if he is in the football niche, you can now discuss about Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo instead of focusing on other players, and focus on one player and discuss about that player in and out. So the next thing that you need to do here is to think as your audience. So if you want to know how your audience think, all you need to do is to go to Google search bar and search for those keywords that your audience are looking for. You will see suggestions of those keywords that your audience are looking for. Let's say if somebody is looking for Messi on Google, now once you type Messi on Google, you will see Messi versus C. Ronaldo. You see Messi, the best footballer. You will see Messi, world best player. You will see other suggestions that will show up on the Google search bar. Same, you can also do the same on the YouTube search bar. Once you click on the YouTube search bar and type in your keyword, you will be shown both main keywords and long tail keywords as a suggestion and a list of suggestions of those keywords that you typed on your YouTube search bar. So you can now pick anyone, but I will advise you to choose the last 5 keywords because those ones are low term. Those ones are low term. So you need to always check. Go to Google Analytics and always check the retention rate of your video, how people watch your video. Go to your competitor's channel, Check the engagement rate of people on their video, how people engage with their video. Now, if you see a lot of engagement on that particular video will definitely go viral. Now, on your YouTube shorts, use emojis and images. Emojis are very important. It actually helps your audience to refocus, and it draws attention of your audience to the video that they are watching. You can also add pattern interrupts to your YouTube shorts. What pattern interrupts actually do is that it refocuses the attention of your audience on your video. You can zoom when someone is angry or when someone is smiling on your YouTube shot. This helps to draw attention of your audience to your video. Do not delete any of your YouTube shorts because it takes time for your YouTube shorts to actually start getting views. Sometimes a day, sometimes two. And I want you to know that the algorithm does not hate you. All you need to do is to improve on your video. Make sure that your editing is properly done. Make sure that you structure your video properly and you will see the views and the subscribers coming in. Thank you for joining me on this video. I'm Okafu Ibechuku. Thank you very much.